Amgen is a pioneer in the biotechnology industry. We were founded nearly 40 years ago on the promise of unlocking biology to help make significant advancements in the fight against grievous illness. We've created a new biomanufacturing paradigm. Actually, right here in Singapore represents the first of its kind in the world. The design allows us to operate in a much smaller footprint, much more efficiently, and in an environmentally sustainable way. In order for us to stay competitive and continuing to be at the cutting edge of innovation, we have to bring our employees along with us. And we've done that by creating a culture of continuous improvement and lifelong learning.
I think one of the things we've really tried to focus on at Amgen, and specifically here in Singapore, is creating a high-impact learning environment. One where people are learning not only the vocational skills that are necessary for them to be successful in the technical aspects of their role, but also helping to set up opportunities for them to grow and evolve professionally as well.
So the Fuel program is a program that helps us fuel our potential. It allows us to learn new capabilities beyond our day-to-day job. We have to go through a basic training first, like strategic planning, design thinking, leadership presence. After that, we'll apply it on a real-life scenario. The aim of this program is really to prepare us to become future leaders in our company.
In our environment, it's a highly regulated environment, which necessitates people to be very well skilled at the activities that they're performing. But beyond that, they obviously have interests in growing and evolving personally. We start off with an individual development plan, an IDP, and in those IDPs, the individual staff try and highlight for us what are their career interests. And then what we try and do is take that information and couple that with our business needs and find a good synergy on aligning the business needs with what the development opportunities are for the staff.
All along, process development has been in my career development plan, and it was something that I was working towards. My boss then told me that he could arrange for an opportunity to try out a role in process development. I had a buddy to guide me through the transition and to help me with whatever I need. There have been many technical and non-technical courses that I've attended, catered to our different roles across the different functions. So the different trainings has allowed me to work more efficiently, and it helps me to collaborate better with my team members.
We take pride in being an industry-leading, family-friendly place to work. We've also had a long-term commitment to the Amgen Foundation, which is focused on advancing excellence in science education, and we partner here with local universities and secondary schools in Singapore to advance that mission.